This is what we got, guys. We got this subfloor down here. Got this floor, got the tile all up. The tile that was existing tile that was there up. Now, existing tile had to put some tissue there till I catch that water a little bit. But this is how it's done, guys. This right here is how you prep before to get ready to put vinyl laminated tile down. Now I'm about to put my underlay, and we shall begin the process of installing vinyl laminated flooring. Stay tuned. Let's get right into it. Hey guys, welcome back. This is the underlayment that I put down. This is the underlayment that I put down on my floor. And I put that bag right there so it can catch out that water. That's the underlayment right there. Now we're about to get ready to lay this vinyl laminated flooring. Tuning right back in with you to let you see how I started my vinyl laminated flooring. Look at that thing, guys. It's about to come out great. It's about to come out great. So stay tuned for more. Show you how it looks when I'm finished. What's up, you guys? This is yet me back again. Just got finished doing all my baseboard cutting and all my trim work. Got to add another piece of quarter round right there in my bathroom. All my trim work will be done. So guys, stay tuned. I'm gonna let you guys know how it looks when I get done. Hey guys, welcome back once again. This is the bathroom remodel that I started on, that I finished. The job is done. Take a look at it, guys. Take a look at it. Let you guys see what I did to it. The floors in there. All this, guys. Check me out. Check it out. Check it out. Job is completed, guys. Job well done for me. You guys see everything that I knocked out. Job is done. Another happy customer is happy with me. I'm happy. They happy. That's all that matters. You guys take a look. See what I got. That's all, y'all. Stay tuned to another tutorial on the projects that I do. I will see y'all when I come back with another one. Alright. Stay creative.